today and mix the colors in a brand new way. Take a little bit of red and a little yellow too. Mix them up and what have we made? A cheerful orange, hooray! Take a little bit of red and a little yellow too. Mix them up and what have we made? A cheerful orange, hooray! Let's make some light! Time for more color magic fun. Our painting adventure's just begun. Swirl the happy red and blue. See what amazing thing they'll do. Mix them up, purple, purple, wow. Mix them up, look what we made now. Purple like a royal cape, giving colors a brand new shape. Purple like the evening sky. Watch our lovely colors fly. Paint so bright and fill our world with color and light. Take a little bit of red and white right from the jar instead. Mix them up and what have we made? A lovely pink, hooray! Swirl it all until it's pink, the prettiest color, don't you think? Pink, pink, pink is the color for me. Pink, pink, pink for you and me. Grab a splash of happy blue. Find some sunshine yellow too. Mix them, swirl them, what we make? Green! Like the leaves in Forest Lake. Green! Our beautiful green. Ooh, giggles and happy cheers. Swirling colors on the page, making our own magical stage. A kaleidoscope